In today's video, we'll be talking about the common mistakes we do while doing smoky eyes, which make us look like raccoon. These are the 10 mistakes we'll be covering in today's video, and at the end there will be 3 important tips so that you get flawless, beautiful eyes like this. So let's get into the video. Mistake number 1, not to use an eyeshadow primer. Main reason why you don't get a flattering black eyeshadow look. If you use eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow will glide easily and it will be even. Second most common mistake is not to tightline your waterlines. Then the skin colors start popping out of the smoky eyes and the intention of smoky eyes is killed. Third, not to use concealer thinking that we are using dark colors and then regretting later on that the even base is not there. Color is somewhere dark and somewhere light because of discoloration of eyelid. Using an eyeshadow primer and a concealer will give a clear canvas for you to work to create smoky eyes. Mistake number 3. For black smoky eyes, the only pigment needed is black. No, we need neutrals and browns. Pick a brown close to your eye shade as a transition shade so that smoky eyes look blended. Mistake number 4. Highlighter should be placed at last. No, when working with dark shades, always place highlighter first in the inner corner and the brow bone so that you know the yardsticks to stop working with the darker shades. Mistake number 5. Blending. Blending is most important. After every color you place, you have to do blending. I'm creating a crease line using a darker shade and then I would blend it. So blending is most important. That's why we need neutral and brown. Now tackling the problem of intense black shade. Use a gel eyeliner with a flat brush on the eyelid. That will be helping you to get intense black smoky eyes. Use it on the eyelid starting as an eyeliner and stop in the middle of the eyelid so that you can do the blending. As I said, blending is the key. This gel eyeliner won't blend, so you need a powder product. I'm using this Urban Decay Naked Smoky Eye palette and I would pick up the black eyeshadow, place it on the gel eyeliner for 2 reasons. 1. Gel eyeliner will crack on drying if not use powder product and set it with the powder product. Second, as I said, gel eyeliner never blend. So now with this clean blending brush, I'll mingle all the brown and the black together, minding that I do not cross my crease line. Mistake number 6, when we use tapes to get harsh and very sharp edges. Smoky eyes never have harsh and very hard edges. We have very blended look with smoky eyes. So always blend your edges, never have harsh edges. Smoky eyes is never complete if you do not smoke out your waterline. So always smoke out your waterline and connect your upper waterline with the lower one. That's called a complete smoky eye. Once you're happy with the color payoff and color intensity, never forget to do your eyebrows. Even if you think you have dense and well-filled brows, still fill in your brows because the black smoky eyes generally make your eyebrows look faded. So it is recommended always to fill in your eyebrows and well define your eyebrows using any eyebrow product. I'm using NYX eyebrow pencil to fill in my sparse area and well define my eyebrows. After you're happy with your eyebrows, let's talk about mistake number 8. We forget about our eyelashes. Yes, when we use dark pigments, our eyelashes actually disappear and they don't look as if they have their existence. So you should always prepare your eyelashes. You should always curl them and put a generous amount of mascara which is intense and black. Once you are done with the upper eyelash, never forget the same thing for the lower eyelashes. I'm using a false lash here. Using false lashes is completely your choice. Once you're done with this, always clear the fallout using any powder brush so that any fallout that is happening could be cleared and it never mingles with your base makeup. Mistake number 9 is that when we do the base makeup before any dark eyeshadow or any smoky eyes, the fallout when it happens to the base makeup is so difficult to clear and then it gives a casted look, a dark look on your face. So always remember as a key rule to first work with your eyes and then create your base. Mistake number 10, which nobody told you, is use a highlighter always lighter than your skin shade so that your under eyes are highlighted and you don't look like a raccoon. After this, we'll work on our foundation. Foundation should always be near to your skin tone. Once you are happy with the blending of foundation, concealer, comes a special tip. Always use a peach, a brightening blush. Yes, so that your blush makes your face brighten up because your eyes right now are too dark. Once you're happy with the blush, comes the time to highlight your face. Use finely milled highlighter, not chalky, chunky highlighter, so that the glow is real and it is there. After everything, tip number 3, that is most important, lipstick. Lipstick can be of your choice. Smoky eyes is so versatile look, you can use and pick any lipstick of your choice, be it nude or bright. I'm using a nudish pink from Anastasia called Dusty Rose. Call off the makeup done only when you set it. After the setting spray, the makeup will look something like this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly give it a like and subscribe. Until we meet next, take care. Bye bye.